What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Draco coming back at you with another episode of Draco's Journey to Master Ball. We use rank the teams that I've created to reach the Master Balls. And in this episode, I'm using a team that I created. It is the Hail team. The Hail team has arrived. I've talked about it in the past couple of little videos. We have been doing the weather teams on the channel. So we did the sun, we did the rain, we did the sand, and now we're doing the hail. If I sound nasty congested, it's because I am. I can say I think winter has officially hit my area because my nose is telling me that it is ridiculously cold outside. Yeah, I get this awesome, So, I'm gonna try and get through this video. I may not be talking as much as I normally do, just because my throat is killing me. But I will go through over the team real quick. The team, like I said, is a Hail team. So it's best okay, let me rephrase that. This is a Trick Room Hail team, meaning it's got a speed option being Arctofish and Arctozolt paired with Ninetales. Arctozolt, the only thing I've seen in practice, and I've only done a couple of practice batting videos with this team, because honestly it's just kind of a throw-together team with mons that I already had in my boxes. No, I didn't train anything, I didn't switch any items and do anything, I just did this with Hail team. So Arctofish, the only thing I've seen outspeed Arctozolt, I should say something about that, is a Tapu, the electric one. Tapu Koko. Is it Tapu Koko? Yeah, I think Tapu Koko. I know I just sing a little theme song. But no, so you got speed by that. And then when the hail ended, in one of my practice videos, I was outspeeding the Urshifu, and then the hail ended. Did not outspeed the Urshifu, so I was not able to pick up the victory in that one, unfortunately, because he wasn't outspeeding, and it was sitting next to that Tapu, and both of them just outsped me, and were able to take me out by the end. But you can do the Trick Room option with Calyrex set in the Trick Room. This is not a hard Trick Room team, which is something I normally don't do when I do Trick Room teams. They're hard Trick Room teams. Like, the only way the team's going to operate is a Trick Room team. I actually have a video of a hard Trick Room team with this Calyrex on it. Which is a pretty good video. I'd recommend checking it out. I think it's from it's the end of the last season, or series 10. But anyways, so Amoonguss and Indeedee are going to be the two mons that you place next to Calyrex to set your Trick Room up. Now keep in mind that the Calyrex and the Amoonguss, and I'm just trying to make sure I'm right, I could be wrong about the Calyrex, but the Amoonguss is a minimum speed Amoonguss, meaning that is the slowest Amoonguss in Japan's on. It's got min-speed IVs as far as 0 IVs for the speed investment and 0 investments in the IVs. And then he's holding an Iron Ball. So basically it's a Trick Room disruptor. So you could leave your Trick Room option alone and let someone else set it up and bring in, say, the Ninetales, the Arctofish, and the Arctozolt, and the Amoonguss. Bring those 4. Leave your Calyrex at home and your Indeedee at home. Bring those 4, and if they set a Trick Room up, you can just put things to sleep, because you'll be the slowest thing out there, pretty much guaranteed. So it's a super fun build. That's the only real difference as far as standard builds, because Calyrex is a pretty standard build to protect high horsepower Trick Room Glacier Lance. And same thing with Indeedee. It is a standard Indeedee build with the Follow Me, Helping Hand, Protect, Expanding Force, Psychic Surge, and Psychic Seed. So, as far as the two fossil mons over here, the Arctofish and the Arctozolt, Arctofish does have the Mystic Water, so with Water move, Fusion Breath is going to hit even harder. It's got Icicle Crash, so you got a big old ice move, so you got Double Stab, Crunch, or Shadow Rider and stuff like that, and Protect. for the final. And then Arctozolt, same thing. This has got a triple stat moves. Bolt Break, Blizzard, and Freeze Dry. Freeze Dry is super effective on water mons, so you got something, I don't know, say a Urshiku Water, Rapid Strike, you get that Freeze Dry. With the Hail out, you'll probably knock them out in one turn if they're Focus Sash, because of the Hail Chip. My throat is killing me, man. Sorry about that. It's a Hail Chip. I'm gonna get through this. Probably gonna, I don't know, I'll get through this. It'll be the 2 battles like the normal. So hopefully we get through this. Anyways, is that everything for the team? Oh, Ninetales. Ninetales, Light Clay, item, Snow Warning. So that's your Hail Setter. Aurora Veil, Protect, Moonblast, and Blizzard. I don't know, I might have done said that already, but anyways, that's the team. I'm the creator of the team. Check it out, rental code below. I'll have all the information. Also have a Pokepaste, of course, for you guys if you like the team. If you do like this team and if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Help me build the DK Trading YouTube channel. So we are just going to jump right into the battles. Alright, so I am going to do this in this video. So I'm climbing the two Master Ball tier. I got a trainer. I'm Pokeball tier because I messed up. I didn't get to Master Ball in the last time. Anyways, this is a Sand team. We got our first opponent. Okay. I mean, we could go Trick Room. We could do like we could do Indeedee, Calyrex, Amoonguss, and Arctozolt. We do that because I could make an argument for Arcovish. Yeah, let's do it. So if we get it right. Oh, my throat is on fire right now. Sorry if I sound terrible. I'm just really congested right now. The weather is switching. It is officially, I think it's officially cold weather season now. We've had a couple of weeks where it was like hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Didn't know what it was going to do, but officially like 14 degrees outside, freezing cold. So it's been like that for the past couple of days. So they're going to go. Let's see. They're gonna go beat up. Which is fine. Because we're gonna go Follow Me and Trick Room. Follow Me, Trick Room. Yeah, because they're going to go big with... So the strat is this. They're going to go big with Arcanine and hit the beat up button and then open up the canines. Now, it's even hard for me to think that's how crappy I feel right now. No. Our Follow Me should redirect the beat up to us. So they won't get it. And it's not going to do a lot of damage. Oh man, it's only going to maybe be like one battle in this one, man. Oof. And they're going to max flare. Got a free switch in, bam. I wanted that free switch in. That was perfect. Okay. Trick Room. Now we can bring Amoonguss in. Okay. And we spore the big dog. And we drop the hail on the Whimsicott. It's like, oh, so I get a nasal drip. For anybody who doesn't know what that is, I'm not gonna explain it. Just look it up. It is terrible, and I get it really bad this time of year. Weather changes to the point where my throat hurts. And that's where I'm at right now, or I'm getting a cold. One of the two. So the hail is gonna come, which is fine. They might get their beat up off now. Yeah. So they got it off anyways. Hopefully that thing stays. Well, we're faster anyway. We're Trick Room is activated. I love that justified setup. So Indeedee should drop. Okay. So that goes Indeedee. Or not Indeedee, I'm sorry, Whimsicott. Is that Primarina? Put you to sleep. And then Max Quake on to Arcanine. Hopefully this knocks out Arcanine, unless it's vested or something like that. But this is the whole point of this setup, of those three Pokemon being on the team together. And then the hail will be going where, dude, that thing is beastie. The hail is going where in the final turns, you could, should take that, honestly. Yeah. And now we're gonna get a proc. So the hail will be going when we have, so when our max is over, we'll have one more Trick Room turn. If we lose the Amoonguss, we actually are able to hold on, I'm doing it wrong. I want Pollen Puff. Yeah, because we have 2 more turns for Trick Room. And we want the hail back up. We don't want fire. We want the hail back up. Oh, we extreme speeded. Psychic terrain! That's why I got the Indeedee! Ain't got no party moves up on me, boy! Yeah, that's why I put Indeedee on there, for those exact scenarios. Stop those priority order moves. Because that was the problem when I was testing, was I would get low like that, and I would get extreme speeded and get knocked out. None of that shenanigans around here. So we have one more turn of Trick Room. one more turn of Trick Room. And I think they only have one Pokemon left, if I'm not mistaken. No. The whale. Okay. Spore you. And I guess just Glacier Lance because it's a double attack. We could have. I put every single one of his Pokemon to sleep except for Indeedee. We could have healed ourselves again, but we're like +2 on attack, maybe +3. Yeah, there was just no way. So, we're back to normal, and it's raining. Okay. This is the best. See, the problem is this. They have to stay asleep here. If they wake up, man, we could be in some trouble. Okay, good. Oh. Oh. It's not fun. And I'll be like it won't hurt all wear. Like eventually, it'll calm down. Everything will calm down, and like once the weather evens out, or my body adjusts to it. But I will deal with stuffy nose for all over there. It's terrible. Anyways, we pick up the victory on that one for the battle. That was actually a really good battle. I think it showed perfectly how that Trick Room activation first turn max destroy. I think that battle showed showed us what that could do. We're just gonna jump into the second battle. Hey, Pokeball 6, not bad. 1 second. Alright. We got ourselves another team. Pheromosa, Lapras, so Lapdog, Lapras and Zacian, Regieleki, Rillaboom, and Incineroar. Again, we could definitely do Trick Room. We can go Indeedee, Calyrex. I mean, I could do the same exact setup if I wanted to. Amoonguss. Let me check something. And probably Zolt again. I mean, we could do this again easily. Or you could even switch it and try and go the fast route. Like, I really don't want to go this route, but I really want to win this battle. And I think this might be our best way to win. Yeah. Why not? Only going to be the 2 battles for today. I don't think I can talk for another 20 minutes, to be honest with you. It's hard enough. It's hard enough. Sorry about that. It's hard enough right now. So, we'll go Trick Room again. And then in the next video, as always, 2 videos for teams that I make, like I always do. Holy shiny Regieleki, not bad. And we'll feature the bosses in the next one, I'll make sure. I usually do 3 battles in the next video. So, Okay. Follow me. It's that thing. That's what I'm worried about. And Trick Room. Lapras, I'm kind of worried about Lapras because they are slow. I believe, if I remember correctly, we are in speed IVs, so it should be the slowest thing on the field. And if not, the Amoonguss thing. I'm totally not feeling it right now. Like I'm not even thinking correctly. I love Trick Room. It's my favorite way to play. It's just cool. So Thunderbolt. It did a lot of damage, actually. Renaissance. Okay. Okay. Feel bad. Keep clearing my throat out just to be able to talk. Okay, so we could hit a follow me one more time, but honestly, it's gonna knock us out. So we can do Helping Hand, Glacier Lance onto Regieleki. Hopefully, the Hail picks up knockout damage. Unless they're not, Focus Sash. I can't even remember. Woof! You're gonna get through this, Draco. You got this, man. Positive attitudes. Hailstorm! Not even sashed, which is fine. So there's a boost for us. Max Lightning. It's not going to do much. Okay. We're going to switch out Indeedee. Maybe. Well, they can't fake me out with the big guy. He's back to normal now. Yeah. I can't see what I'm doing. Pokémon. Amoonguss. Max Quake into Incineroar. Ugh. Don't nest in my face. So that does not take out Incineroar. That's fine, though. They're going to probably Flare Blitz us. Okay, that was a pretty good parting shot, actually. It was a really good parting shot. I must admit. And then they're going to bring out Zacian. Okay. So I don't know if I'm super worried about that. I think I'm more worried about the dog. Put you to sleep. Max Quake again. Hopefully I can see the hell. I think I have one more G-Max turn. No. Damn. Ooh, I think I screwed up a little bit. I may have messed that up tiny bits. Protect. Yeah, I don't know. I guess you're trying to wait on my Trick Room turns? It's fine. Still gonna do a lot of damage. Oh, Jesus, this is gonna do nothing. Yeah, I should have set the hail. How about it? Okay. So we have one more turn of Trick Room. Okay, Lapras withdraw. Incineroar to drop my attack again. That's a really good, that's really good. It's actually really good to do. Oh, son of a... Shit! Forgot about the electric train. Substitute. Protect substitute? Protect, switch out to get rid of that stupid electrical train. Now, if they don't attack Indeedee, that would be beautiful, because then we could set Trick Room down. Alright. Okay. Alright. I don't know why you wouldn't parting shot. I see what you're doing. Okay. Follow me. Okay, let's do... I think we gotta do it this way. We need the Trick Room back up, we might be alright. I was hoping you were gonna protect. Boy, was I hoping you were gonna protect. Okay, now this is going to be a little strange, but I'm going to bring out the... like this. Arctozolt. I know. Bolt Break. Because look at Calyrex right now. Okay, Calyrex is hurting. We need to bring Calyrex back. We have to. And Amoonguss back out. Okay. So this is going to reset our stats stuff that we have going on. hoping they're going to attack. The Amoonguss spot. And we're able to get the Bolt Break off. We did. Sweet. Okay. 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 Alright, so let's... Glacier Lance. And... Powerpuff. I knew you were going to do that. It's fine. Get your health back. Okay, we're full health again. Lance. God. Well, it is Amoonguss versus the world, guys. Spore. I don't know what to do. How sad would it be if we actually pull this off? We won't. There's no way. The blade should take us out. Hey, we live your blade. That's funny. It's your stupid substitute. Anyways, that's it. 1-1 lost one. Yeah, let me just grab the team real quick. I don't even know what we did wrong in that last battle, to be honest with you. I have no idea. I'm trying to think, like, I don't know. Maybe we should have brought the Arctovish. Alright, TK fam, here it is, the rental team for today's video. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's a team that I created. It is a hail team that I created, featuring both the other two fossils from Sword and Shield, Arcovish and Arctozolt. We picked up one victory. We didn't pick up the second victory though. I don't know what happened there. I felt like we had a good hand, and then it just kind of felt like we had a good position. And then it just kind of slipped away. Probably shouldn't have left that substitute on Zacian. I should have attacked that. But it's a little hard to do when you have two support mons. We should have ended. I think if we would have ended our Gmax turn with the hail, like we talked about, like I had initially planned, we could have brought in Zolt and did some more damage, or we should have attacked Zacian. Never leaves Zacian alone. I think it's just too good. I think that's probably what it was. We just didn't attack Zacian when we should have. We zigged when we should have zagged. Anyways, super fun team. I will have this team again later in the week for another VGC battle. I have a rental team that I know you're using. I will have a rental team video after this video. And then to finish the week, I will put another video up with this team. And I will also, obviously, I'm still doing the Diamond Pearl playthrough. Because part 10 comes out hopefully today or tomorrow, depending how long my uploads take, because my computer's slow and my internet's terrible. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, smack that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And also, don't forget to check out the DK Trading Facebook group with Diamond and Pearl coming out. I'm just waiting for people to beat the game and able to get into like the farthest parts of the game where you can check your EVs. Not EVs, your EVs. Check your EVs. Like hit the plus button, it brings up how many EVs you have as far as like 6 IV, 2 IV, 1 IV, no IV. Or EVs, I should say, no EVs. And also to where people can start training better, where individual values are trained. And hopefully we can pop a tournament off for Brilliant Diamond Shining Pearl. Probably gonna be maybe a singles tournament, just because I don't know how many people are actually double battling right now. But I'm gonna put it out, so definitely check it out. Check out the DK Trading Facebook group. Link will be below as usual. Same thing for the Twitter. And I didn't even put up. Wow, I just noticed that. I didn't put up the layout. Yeah, nope. Anyways, but I will have Crazy Nickles link below. She's the one who provides me with the layouts that you normally see, but not in with it today. I've not been feeling the greatest. The weather change just got me not feeling too good. So, anyways, check all that out. So until next time, just remember to take care of yourself and take care of each other. Peace.